Welcome back for this New York session, trading the US Tech 100 or the DAX if there's any possibilities, any high probability setups. So giving the market some time. We just had data, it just came out, I think an hour ago. So it's actually going more down than we actually expected. So we're gonna see rates is gonna be lowered. So that's gonna be good for the market. So I'm planning to go long on DAX and also Nasdaq and Wall Street. But again, it could turn around. So the dollar is also falling a lot because they are expecting the rates to come down. But the market is not doing anything really. It's selling off here on the short time frame. Could hold some support here. Always give the market some time. So let's see if we're gonna have progress below, then I'm gonna short it. Nope, no progress. Let's see if we're holding the current support at 175. We could also come all the way back to 100. Again, let's give it some time, be realistic, and then let's make some money today. The account is currently up 25%. Could be fine to finish this week on a great streak. My goal for next week is plus 40k, the account size, and then 60k, and then 80k, and then 100k, and scale into 200k, and so on and so on. So we have a push here. I think the market is going to rally based on the news we just saw. I'll do a light long here with a wider stop loss. I'll go long here at 55. It's a light long, so it really doesn't matter. And I can always add to it and scale the position. I'll exit this one here, the one I just opened. Exit at 78. So the first trade, 110. It's possible that we can re-enter here. I will re-enter long here. Very light, 5 contracts, almost nothing. Be careful. I have a stop loss in place. I'm gonna exit this one here again. 51, a little bit too early. Maybe it was good. So 2 trades so far. Keeping it very simple to grow this account steady. But again, I'm in very light. If we're gonna grow this account from 20K to 20 million, we need to be very good at cutting losses, not moving stop loss, not put too much size on, only put size on when we're sure, or scale into positions. And we also have to be great at holding setups when it's like really working and we see big momentum, and we have to be good at moving stop loss to break even. So big push, no further confirmation, selling pressure, but no further confirmation down. We could see a pushback, but again, let's give it some time. I'm not saying that this is not a short position. I'm just saying I'm gonna wait a little bit. For me, this is a long. There's a big push. I consider going in for a quick long here. We could also open a short, but I think they're gonna push it back to 500 at least, or even higher. I think it's just a matter of time. I'm gonna go for a quick long here. It's currently trading at 26,326. I'll exit this one here at 353. So a quick scalp again. So far, keep it very simple. I did 3 positions. I'll re-enter here at 30. They could dump the market now. Let's just be careful. So Wall Street is also showing some signs of resistance here, and DAX as well. Again, I'm in very light, so it's not really gonna hurt. I might add to this position here at 300. My target is 500, so 20,500 for this position here. I'll add here at, okay, stopped out. I got stopped out on the position I just opened for 250. Re-enter here long. It's very risky. So market is currently moving down from a huge push up. So it just pushed to almost 400 and then they choose to dump it. Wow. But again, I'm in very light, so everything is fine. Nasdaq saw a huge push, got rejected at 400. So stopped out on the other position there. So 2 losses in a row. I got 3 trades, good, and then 2 losses in a row. Let's see here if it's gonna push right back. Still have 1 position opened, and the 2 other position is currently closed. So 5 trades so far and 1 trade open. Again, the reason why I'm not losing in this game over the long term is because of my position size and my risk management. So when I'm sure, I'll just go in with 20 or even 50. 20 is the right number for me in this account size. Then I can scale into positions. So I'll do 20 here, and then let's see if it's gonna come right back here. Exit this one quick here, the 20 I just opened. I still have this one left here. This one I'm up 180. I'll exit that one at 335, 332. So overall, to break it down, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. I lost 2 out of 7, so 5 in the green, but I have 2 larger losses of 2%, so 1% each. So overall, this session here, I made 110, made 45, made 115, so 225. So that's 270, and I lost 270. So, and I won 165. Okay, so I'm currently up $20-30. So break even. So overall break even. The market to me still looks strong. I will look for taking another long position here. Again, it could push back. I don't think it's gonna push back. I think it's gonna push to 500. I'll go in here at 347. It could come all the way back again as we just saw, so just be careful. Nasdaq, maybe this is going to be the same we just saw. Big push, rejection. I'll exit this one here at 59. I'm not super confident. You can exit at 65 now. So overall, just break even the session here so far. So 8 trades. The past 3 trades, I'm up 400-500. It's very risky here because what I just saw is there's no progress and you just keep getting rejected. So it's a possibility for Big push on the Nasdaq. Think DAX could get rejected. It's very risky, to be honest, if I have to be very honest with you. So that's why I'm around break even. Did not do that much. And the price action is just extremely hard right here. We could get rejected here. It could sell off. Could also push. I'm not saying this is not a good entry for long. I'm just saying we have to be a little bit careful here. To me, it could be a short. Of course, we could push up today to 19,000, and I'm aware of that, and I understand the risk. But if this starts to fall, then I will go in for a short. Might want to be open to open a short here. Think it could sell back. I'm gonna open a light short here. A light short, but it let's see if it's getting rejected. Nope. Big pushback. Could get rejected, but it could also push. Looks strong to me. Nothing really to see here. Let's see if it's getting rejected and start selling off. So because of this setup, that's why I might gonna hold this one here. Let's see. So Nasdaq is pushing back the same as DAX. Let's see if we start selling below or if we're pushing to new highs. Very strong market movement here. I think they're gonna push it to 400. Yes, we got it right there. I'd like to add to this short here. I think they could push it back very quick. It's still weak to me. No progress above 500. No progress, no progress. So because of Nasdaq sold off, that's simply why I hold this one here. But I'll exit this one here. So I just exit this one here at 57. So I have no open position. I just exit this one here. I want to see if it's actually going to sell off, and it might do that now. I kind of like understand how the market is moving right now. So they're pushing it up, getting rejected, and then okay. So how many trades did we do now? The account is currently on 26,100. I'll send all the trades. Wall Street looks weak. Nasdaq also looks weak. We might come back again to 200. But again, they could push the market, so just be very careful. And we have bar that's higher than the past bar buy. Let's see here. So a big push again, no really confirmation on the short term for me to hold or to scale in. Lots of progress on the short time frame. Could maybe consider going for a short here. I'm not super sure. Gonna go for light short here. I think it could turn right there, shorting at 72. Could be a quick scalp here. I'll exit this one here very quick again at 62. Currently trading at 59, so you could also exit. Not a lot of progress. In and out very quick. Strong support at the previous lows. They might push it back. That's the one that I expected that, right? That's what I prepared for. But we are above again. It could get rejected here. It could get rejected at 550. To me it looks weak. To me it looks like more like a short still. I know we could push back to 500 and I'm aware of that risk, and I'm pretty confident that we might gonna see a rally back to 500, and I want to position myself in that direction, of course. But I see also a quick scalp maybe back to 340, 350. Every time we get up, we get rejected. I'll go for a quick short here at 85. Let's see if we can have a quick push. We got it right there. We'll exit at 70. I think that's it for me now. I'm pretty happy with the results I got so far today. It was very steady in the morning. It was very steady here. Every time I've been going in, you could get out better than me, right? So I say out around 70. It's currently trading at 65, 64. So you would have made much more money than me if you have been holding this, or yeah. So I think that's it for me. I'm pretty happy overall today and yesterday. 4 sessions total. I am up $6,464. So around 35%, 30%. Again, it could push back, and I'm aware of that. And I think it could actually be a very good idea to go long. I'm not against that. And I could also prepare for that. To me, it looks very strong, but again, it's very risky at the resistance to go long for hoping for something to happen. I could take a quick long here, maybe back to 450, but again, it could really push quick back. So I think that's it for me now, or maybe a quick short. I would rather go short than going long here. Take a quick short here, it's very risky. I'll exit this one here. I did not got that much, so break even. Break even. I'll do another short here. I'll exit this one here. I got out again. I think that's it for me now. I was hoping to go quick short here at the higher week for these candles here, then see a quick push back. We saw that on the Nasdaq, 40 points in 1 minute, and Nasdaq and Germany is not really doing that. It's very risky. That's it for me now. Happy weekend. I wish you the best weekend, and I'll pop this all my trades so you could see it, my account balance, and so on and so on. We will grow this to 20 million, okay? Just have patience.